Okay, good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you an overview of the week. Start by going to the electrical website, and this is going to be out there. I have to make it public, but Chapter 4, Electrical Print Specifications and Codes. The video link, you found it if you're watching this. It's right here. This is the dates per week that you're in. We've been given rights to uh, Electrical Wiring Commercial book. That's the name of it, Electrical Wiring Commercial. And it's a very good book. We're going to be able, you can read this through, but basically with the amount of time we have left in a year, I'm going to be able to do 3, maybe 4 chapters with you all, and that's it. So I'm going to pick the best ones that will help you the most. Login instructions says go to Shobi. You're going to find the commercial wiring book in login instructions. So I have Shobi open, commercial wiring book login instructions. I click on it. Open a web browser, that's Safari, right, on your iPads. If you're using a computer, you can use anything. Explorer, Chrome, Safari. Click on this link. Brings you up to a login screen. And I made a mistake logging in earlier. I added the V. It's WRTHS01. Then I believe this is MCW18. And you can check that right here. It's listed right here and right here. It's all the same no matter who you are. It's the same password. We have a bunch of licenses. So then we just log in. That brings you up to Modern Commercial Wiring and Modern Commercial Wiring Workbook. You're not going to need the workbook because on Shobi I'm going to put the PDF pages of this so you can write right on Shobi. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to really submit it to me. So this is the book right here. We're actually going to be working in chapter 4. These are all the chapters. They're links. Click on that. And there you go. A lot of really good information. This is a great book. The only thing I will say as we get into this more is they list the neutral as the small wire and the HUTs as the long wires. And usually it's not that way, but just for their conventions in this book, that's their symbol. But usually it's always a neutral as a long wire. All right, so these arrows get you through the chapter, and all the answers to the worksheets I'm going to post are going to be in this chapter, so you can find it. There you go. And then we go back. Let's go back to the announcement. Login instructions we just went over. Weekly assignments at a glance, page 25 to 32 in the workbook, located in Shobi under written assignments. We'll look at that in a second. Just like we have been doing, response to discussions on the written assignments class discussion thread, as well as log in there every day. And 5 IXL questions in the area placed after your diagnostic section was completed. Not everybody's doing this. I am grading that, so you need to be doing that. 5 questions. Just wipe them out. You can do it. All right, so let's look at the, these two right here. Let's look at page 25 to 32 in the workbook. You do that by going to Shobi. It says located in Shobi. You don't have to go right to the workbook. Go to Shobi. See, I have it listed, workbook pages 25 through 32. Click on that. And here's an example, 25 right here. No, I'm not going to be able to make this. Oh, there we go. Okay, list for, 25? Yeah, starts with, okay. May local building codes mandate that electrical work conforms to the Many local building codes, I should say. And what is that? The feeling it's going to be NEC, but you can look it up. And you're going to write right on here, just like you always have. Just write right on, see? Bam, you can write on it. And you can erase it. All right, makes sense? Go back on this. It's smaller. And all these are right here. Looks like a lot. There's a lot of pages. It goes down to 32, but there's not that much on each page. And it's a week's work. And the last one is just notes. So really it's through 31. So there's like about 5 on a page or so. Maybe a little more, a little less. These are just labeling symbols. They're all in there. All right, another help for you is going to be if you go to Shobi as well, and you bring up this PowerPoint. This right here, you can do it right from here, or I think you can load it if you want. I'm just going to do it right from here. And it goes through, it reviews all of the chapter. I'm going to put a few videos, a couple videos of me going through some input on this chapter as well. But this is going to give you a lot of answers right here too. I'm not saying you shouldn't read the chapter, you should. And you should read that because it's great information as far as wanting to be an electrician. It's really good information, not just to answer the workbook questions, but it's going to help you a lot. It's very good, very practical. So I'm going to post again a couple videos of me quickly going through this PowerPoint, but that's a help for you as well. All right. Remember to be checking in every day and answering the questions. And pace yourself. Do a little every day, you know, chip away at this stuff. Don't save it all till Monday night or Tuesday morning, because then it's a lot of stress on you. If you do a bit each day, you wipe it out, no problem. All right, stay safe, and I'll see you later.